It's more Fabfitfun, so if you want to see what's inside this one, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit is hanging out with my mom and Chloe's just off doing Chloe things, but it is Fabfitfun time around here and I have 4 boxes to share with you. This is number 2. So I got 2 boxes that they curated and 2 boxes that I curated. Let's see which one this one is. The inside has a cute little wreath inside. Okay, this is one of the ones that I curated. All right, this one is from my secondary account. Now, so bizarre, because on this account, it doesn't tell me what category each one is from, but it does tell me the MSRP on each item, and it does say that the value of this box is $450. Now, I do have 8 items in this box, so 2 of them were add-ons from other categories. So let's get into that. Now they do have this little game thing. I'm never very successful, but we'll see. Maybe this time's the charm. We've got a little postcard from the Fabfitfun team. All right, let's get into here. So right on top, I'll give you a little sneak peek here. And right on top is our Deep Care Flash Facial Spatula. And I actually got this for Chloe because it looked so cool. And I asked her, I was like, and if you're new, Chloe's my teenage daughter. I said, do you think you want to try this? And she was like, yeah, that looks really cool. So it's supposed to, I feel like this was in category 1, and I feel like it had a $95 value, but I've got that on here. So it's nice and thin, and it has this little spatula here, and you turn it on, and it's definitely not charged, but it is one that you would, it's rechargeable. And then you kind of just put it along, and it's gonna like push out those whiteheads, I guess. I don't know. They didn't have any of this stuff when I was growing up. Yes, $95 MSRP. Now right here, the whole box was, I don't know what I'm paying these days. I have an annual, so I think it's $55 for the annual still, although I expect that's going to go up in the next year. But this is $95 right off the get. Oh, we've got a freebie in here. We've got the Dove Coconut Milk and Sugar Lychee Cleansing Bar. Smells very nice. Next, we have the by Rosie Jane Everyday Body Milk in the scent Chill, and this was like orange and peppermint scented, and I said, yes, please, that sounds... All right, I'm not gonna lie, like the picture had oranges and peppermint, and it was so alluring to me. Like, I don't know, it may smell terrible, but I just thought it was going to smell delicious just by that picture. Here you go. So this is going to be a body moisturizer. Oh, that smells exactly like I envisioned. Smells so nice. I do really like the things I've gotten from this brand, which has mostly been perfumes, but they just smell so nice. And this is a cruelty-free brand, so when it comes to fragrance, that's becoming a little bit more popular these days, but it's been traditionally hard to find cruelty-free fragrances. This has an MSRP of $28, so, a little pricey for a moisturizer, but not out of the realm of what I would pay. Next, by Gaiam, we have this personal safety alarm. It does have this nice little hook, so it will hook onto your backpack. And my daughter does go to school in like a big city and takes the train, so I felt safer with her having something like this. So I did order this for her for Christmas, and it's a $30 MSRP value, and from what I read, it's very, very loud. So I think this will make me feel safer while she's waiting for the train. Next, by Perricone MD. Now, I've used this brand and I do enjoy this brand. I've never found a miracle product from it. I'm going to put that right there. But I do like the brand. This is the Smoothing and Brightening Under Eye Cream. This has $125 value. Guys, I just had to try it. I was just like, you know what, I'm going to put that in my box. I so want to see how that does. Again, I like the products I've had from them. I have no complaints. I have rosacea. I've not had any issues with the rosacea. I just don't know that they are my miracle go-to products at this point, but this could be the one right here. I mean, am I going to go to Ulta and buy that for $100? No, I am not. So getting it in a subscription box like this, that's amazing. Next, by Dibs. This is becoming one of my new favorite brands. This is their On the Glow Glossy Balm. So I said I wasn't going to put this in because it looked like more clear. And then I saw it on their website and I'm like, oh, it looks more pink. So let's see. Now I do have on the other two Dibs lippies. I just happened to open another box. What has that satisfying suction sound? So that looks like it may have a little more color. Oh yeah, it definitely has more color than I thought. I'm glad I threw this in there. And that will look lovely over either of these colors. Let's take a look. Okay, look at that. Smells so delicious. It does feel like it might be sticky. All right, so there it is over the other lippies, and yes. And that's a $24 MSRP. Oh, next by Saturday Skin. I don't have this on here, so I don't know, I must not have written everything down. This is their Scalp and Hair Strengthening Peptide Treatment. Now, you know, when they say there's a hair treatment, I'm all about it. I'm going to give it a try. And here is how that looks. It's got this nice tip so you can get right in there with your scalp. Let's see what we do. Do we leave it on? Do we wash it out? It has salicylic acid to cleanse and exfoliate with a blend of niacinamide, caffeine, beer yeast extract, and peptides to nourish and refresh your scalp, improving hair's volume, softness, and overall appearance. Okay. What? After shampooing hair and scalp, towel dry areas, shake bottle before application, apply a few drops in. Ideally in the evening, massage scalp thoroughly. It's a leave-on treatment, do not wash off. Okay. I can definitely do that. I can do that tonight. So I'm going to be doing more reviews of the products that I already have or that I'm receiving. I just have like an overload of products. So I figured I would scale back on how much I'm getting because I have so much and everybody's always asking like, how does that work? And I don't even get around to using some of it. So I thought the things I am using, you know, I could let you guys know. Is it worth it? Next, and I wasn't going to get this either, but this is the Fenty Skin Cookies and Clean. This is a clay detox mask, but I said to myself, because I'm very good at justifying, and this is a $35 MSRP, I said to myself, you know, your New Year's resolution is to mask at least 3 times a week, so you're going to need more masks. So that's how I justified it to myself. I figured I would set a very realistic New Year's resolution because I could do a sheet mask twice a week and a clay mask or something like that once a week or whatever. Like it's doable. So as the year is rolling down and you're thinking about, you know, what do you want to change about the new year? Like this year I changed how I eat. You know, I've changed my diet, my exercise. I'm going to continue that. That's not something new, but it was a resolution I made. I didn't say to myself, I'm going to lose 50 pounds. I said to myself, I'm going to change the way I eat. I'm going to reduce the fried foods, the fatty foods, the French fries, which I love, the chips. I switched from like Doritos to Quest chips, and I enjoy them. And I've switched from like having regular tacos with beef to using ground white meat chicken. I've switched from fried chicken to grilled chicken, and I'm enjoying all the grilled chicken flavors that I'm coming up with. So for this upcoming year, I said, okay, I'm going to continue that, but what am I going to do different? And I said, you know, masking. I really want to mask more. It's something I really want to do. So justification right there. And it's a clay mask, so it'll be good for Chloe's skin as well. You know, younger folks really need that, but us older folks too do. We need some detoxification. Then I got this scarf from Barefoot Dreams. Now, this was something else I wrestled with, but I said I'm going to have way too much FOMO when I see people opening it if I don't get one, because the Barefoot Dreams brand is so super soft, and this is like a cloud. So can you see that texture there? And I just got some gray gloves from Wantable that I kept, so they go perfect together. So definitely soft and snuggly. Really, really enjoy that. And it started to get cold, so I'll be getting some use out of it. And then the last box product, I do have 2 other products in here, but this is by Fenty Hair. This is the Comeback Kid Instant Damage Repair Treatment. Again, you know, if there are hair products, I'm getting them all. There is how she looks. What do we do with it? I'm seeing pictures on the back, some of them with big X's. It looks like we leave this in for 3 to 5 minutes and don't put conditioner in. It repairs, reduces breakage, conditions for smoother, shinier, healthier looking style. So it looks like you put it on in the shower, leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse it and do not follow up with conditioner. At least best I can tell, because the directions are all in pictures. So I'm not really sure what this or this and why we have this, and I don't understand. It's the same side here. I'm going to go with that's what you do with it. All right, the last in here, we have some toothbrush refill heads, and I had gotten this toothbrush in a previous box, so now I just get these all the time for like $8, and it's cheaper than buying from the company. And then this is like one of my favorite products. So this is the IGK Good Behavior Intense Daily Smoothing Mask. So, oh, this is not, okay, this is not what I thought it was. Okay, well, I have the spray of this, and I love it. So I think I'm going to love this. This was $20, regular price $34. And this is a 3% butter concentrate and frizz blocking biolipid barrier salon grade smoothing treatment that doubles as a rinse off mask and an intense leave-in concentrate. Ultra rich formula features 3% plant butters and instantly melts into hair to eliminate frizz, maximize smoothness, and deeply nourish. Customizable application provides a solution for all frizz prone hair, including extremely dry, coarse, and curly hair types. So mask use, you're going to apply 3 to 5 pumps after you've washed your hair, and you're going to focus on the mid-lengths and ends, comb through and rinse. Doesn't say how long to leave it on. I guess you can just immediately. And then a leave-in 1 to 3 pumps on damp hair and followed with Desired Stylers. Leave-in use is ideal for extremely dry, coarse, and curly hair. Start with a small amount and build to the desired effect. Okay. I do have, like, my ends get really frizzy, so that's why I love this spray. And so I think I'm going to love this as well. All right, that is the box that I customized. So tell me your thoughts. What was your favorite item? What's my favorite item? I don't know, that's kind of hard. Right off the get, I'm going to say the scarf, but I really like that moisturizer as well, and that's going to be great. I'm going to use that in December because it kind of gives me Christmas vibes. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.